Hey guys, it's Kriseya Wheeler from Wheeler's Way. I haven't seen you guys in a while, and I'm about to tell you why. I recently haven't been doing so well. My health has been declining. I can't walk. I'm trying to pick up my legs for you right now, and you can see I'm kind of, move around that way, but I try my best. It comes and it goes. Sometimes I get tired of sitting in the same spot, I get tired of not being able to help out, and I'm getting tired of not being able to walk. That means my daddy's got to carry me everywhere. I've got to be on a wheelchair or something, and in case it hasn't crossed your mind yet, makes going to the bathroom very difficult also. My mom got me Moana pull-ups. And they're just the cutest things. But yeah, that's a taste of what my life has been like. I have been pronounced a terminal cancer patient. That's not necessarily new. I have been having issues with my short-term memory. I'll be in the middle of a conversation and it's like, wait a second, what in the heck were we talking about? And I haven't been able to get around the property as easily. And that's why you haven't been seeing me in videos. We've been trying to research a fix, solution. Not willing to start another one until we find the right one. And we have been trying to make ends meet with me and my treatment and property, and my dad's been spending as much time with me as he can while still being a responsible adult. And so yeah, I've been thinking about a lot of things lately. About what it might be like to leave this earth. And I know my Lord's going to take me when he wants me. And I'm prepared for him. I can't focus my eyes anymore. I don't know what that's about, but I've been getting these really, really bad occipital headaches. Here and here. Yeah, because that's what occipital means. And then I've been getting a muscular headache right around them. That's okay. I've been taking some Fioricet and some cyclobenzaprine for that. And it's been doing pretty good. And I have a good night's sleep. A hard time waking up in the morning, but a good night's sleep. And, yeah. Being a terminal cancer patient has given me a lot to think about. Like the bucket list type stuff. I have wheelchairs that I can use to get around. Just none that'll work around the property, you know. It'd be really, really cool if I could have like a four-wheeler or something around here. Trying to reach that TV, but it's not gonna happen. Hey, Daddy. Will you pass me the tea?
What's up, baby?
Will you pass me the tea? I think your video is largely done. Thank you guys. That's all for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. If you guys want to ask me any questions, that's fine. I like to hear what you think. See you next time on Wheeler's Way.